Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Is this look looking familiar to any of you guys? Today we are traveling back in time, going back to November 22nd, I believe. No, November 24th? November 23rd? Today we are traveling back in time to November 24th, 2019, the day I posted my very first makeup tutorial. I can't believe it's already been a year. That's so crazy. So I thought I would recreate and react to my first makeup tutorial. Gosh, it is so crazy to see how much I have grown. My setup was so bad. I remember filming that video on my 2014 MacBook. I don't know why I didn't use my phone. I didn't have a tripod, so it was really hard to set up my phone. That was the only video I filmed on my computer because it was just such bad quality. But all the other videos have been recorded on my phone, still record on my phone. It's just so crazy to see how much I've changed, how much things have changed. And you guys want to stay tuned for the end of this video because I'm going to be announcing something very exciting. Actually, I'll just tell you right now. I am going to be announcing rules to enter my very first giveaway at the end of this video. So make sure you watch all the way through to get the rules on that. I'm so excited to do my very first giveaway. But yes, if you want to see me recreate my very first makeup tutorial and react to it, then let's go ahead and get started. I was so excited to get my channel started that I forgot to film an intro for this makeup tutorial. But as you can see here, I am going to be creating this goldish bronzy color look for you today. So yeah,
oh my God,
if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep watching.
Okay, we're clipping my hair back, I guess.
It won't be the best setup, but I haven't figured out yet. It's my first go around, so we'll work with it and see where it takes us.
My setup has definitely changed.
Makeup remover wipes just to get any dirt off of my face that's collected throughout today. I definitely don't wipe my face off anymore before putting my makeup on, just because I go through these things so fast. I'm like, I don't need to be really using them when I'm not taking my makeup off. I like doing it. I just feel like it can be so wasteful. I just hate spending money on these. I don't know why. And then we're gonna go in with my Mario Badescu facial spray. Also, don't use this anymore. I had to pick this up from Ulta the other day. It's not that I don't like it, it's just I ran out and I never repurchased it, but I do remember loving the way it made my face feel when I take my makeup off. So glad to have this again. Now I'm all drenched. Oh, tasted it. That's so funny because I just did the same thing. I'm like soaking wet now. Primer from NYX. I still obviously use primer, but I don't really use this primer much anymore. Not that I don't like it, but I just like a more pore filling primer versus a color correcting primer, I guess. Foundation, I'm using Too Fit Me by Maybelline. So I actually don't have any of those foundations. I don't know why. For some reason I was thinking I used Too Faced Born This Way, but apparently I did not. These foundations that I'm using here are very dewy and glowy, so I'm gonna just go in with the Tarte Face Tape foundation in the shade Tan Honey. I am obsessed with this stuff just because, like I said, I don't have those Fit Me foundations anymore. So I'm just gonna go in with this, but that's my bad. I totally thought I needed to watch my video before I did this. I just was trying to remember off the top of my head what I used. Concealer. I apply concealer with my concealer. I'm gonna put those under my eyes. Down my nose. My concealer was in the shade Tan Sand, It is the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. I just picked up a mini just because I do love Tarte Shape Tape, don't get me wrong, but I just feel like there's so many concealers out there that are cheaper than Tarte Shape Tape that do just as good or even better. It is in the shade Tan Sand. I also remember I used the shade Rich to do my contour, which this is still the same one. I don't know if it just expired or whatever, but we're using it. Definitely a smaller applicator, but it will do. Next, I'm gonna take my contour. What I use to contour is the same, but in the shade Rich. I definitely don't ever do this anymore. So any place that you want to look smaller, like my forehead, I also do a little bit on the nose. I just take a beauty blender, give it a few sprays of that spray we used earlier, and then just go out and buff it all up. I used a different beauty blender for my concealer, so I guess I'm gonna go in and do that.
Still drop stuff all the time. Nothing's changed.
You're going to set our concealer. Or your mascara setting powder. This helps. Just set your makeup there and it ain't gonna move. I still set my face obviously, but I don't bake like I used to. I used to leave this on while I did my eyes and everything, but I definitely don't anymore. But for the sake of this video, you bet your stinking dollar I'm gonna leave it on and bake. I used to put like so much on. Geez, Chanel, can't even get that much right now. Moving on to eyeshadow. Oh my god. Today, I'm going to use the Carly Bible Anastasia Beverly Hills palette. I'm going to go for a more gold type of eyes today, a brownish gold. I'm going to start with a little bit of this Bear color. Next, I'm going to go in with this Try color. Put this in my crease. Now I'm going to go in with this Bible color. It's a little mauvey. I'm just going to go back in a little bit under my crease and just do this one. I'm also going to go in with my Morphe 25A palette. I'm going to go in with nickel shade right here. And we're just going to go all on the outside of our lower lid. Next, we're going to go in with a darker brown. Probably do this Oasis color. And we're going to do the same thing. Actually, I'm really liking this. I remember really liking this look and wanting to recreate it like literally just like a few weeks or months ago, and I couldn't remember what I used, so I'm actually glad I'm doing this little throwback thing. We have a smaller blending brush. Do this version shade, and then you're gonna take this just on the outer part of it. Going with this super dark shade, Destination. Oh my gosh, I use so many like shades just to like blend out my outer corner. Go in with my finger with this My Angels palette. So I'm going back in with the Carly Bible palette and taking this shade right here. This is so pretty and it's so freaking pigmented. I'm going to take that bigger blending brush that we used first and go back in with Try and just blend that. Pretty smart of you, Shanelle. Okay, and I guess I'm going back in with my blending brush. I'm going back in with the chai shade and buffing it out. We're gonna take a big fluffy brush and wipe off all this product. Take a small blending brush again, and we're just gonna go back in with that first nickel color we used and go on our lower lash line. Just go in with the color Bali. So I guess taking Bali and put it on the inner corner. Next, I'm going to go in with another big brush once more with my Becca bronzer. Becca bronzer, where are you, girl? And we're gonna go over any place that we put on. I'm also gonna take this from my jawline and pull it down to hide my double chin. Now I'm just gonna go in with a big fluffy powder brush, hold at the end and slightly blend. Now I'm going to go in with a Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh powder. I still have this, but I don't hardly ever use it. I used to love it, but when you put it on, it used to give you like the hydrating feeling, and I don't know if you were supposed to keep it cool, but it definitely does not do that anymore, so I don't know, I don't really use it that much, and I definitely don't set my face twice anymore. Like, I don't know why I used to do that. I guess to really keep my oil down. I'm just gonna go back in with that brush that I wiped all that powder off and just set my face. So for highlight today, I'm using my Anastasia Glow Kit. It's coming up on 3 years since I've had this. Where are you, Anastasia? I know you in here somewhere. I just used you the other day. Shades don't even look like I used them at all. Does it look like I used them? This is seriously going to last me a lifetime. A brush, I'm using the Echo Tools Highlight. It's Eco Tools. I apparently didn't know what I was talking about back then. Brown, goldy color. I think I'm gonna use this bronze color today. I'm just gonna put it on top of my cheekbone. And then I'm going to go in with my finger, use bronze, and I'm going to mix it with a little bit of summer since I'm putting it on my nose. Just go down the bridge. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows and my lashes. I'm going to do that off camera. Gonna do my brows and lashes off camera, so yeah, BRB. Okay, brows and lashes are back on. I definitely don't remember how I used to do my brows or what I used then, so I just kind of did the way I do now and just made them a little fuller because I do know I did big puffy brows back then. And I am wearing the same lashes, and I'm so glad I was able to find them, and I have fallen in love with them all over again. What else do we have to do? For lip today, I'll be using Kylie Jenner lip kit. It's in Basic. Basic. Where are you, Basic? Got her. No lip liner, so just going straight in, I guess. Wow, I am loving this look. Like, I love it. Good job. This is my final makeup look. It's so pretty. Like, didn't even set my face, sprayed it? Yes. So thanks for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button because I need subscribers. Comment below what you want to see next, and I'll hopefully create the look for you. Thanks for watching. Oh my gosh. Okay, so here's the final look. Oh my god, I just am so weird. Like, I was so timid, so shy. I know that everybody watching that could feel that too. I had a lot of fun, like, reminiscing, going back in time to creating my first makeup tutorial. So as I mentioned in the beginning of this video, I wanted to really do something to celebrate my first anniversary here on YouTube. So I have decided that I'm going to be doing my very first giveaway. I feel like it's only fitting to do something for the holidays since they are coming up, and I'm so excited. Too Faced has some Christmas holiday sets. I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Obviously there's going to be rules for this giveaway. I'll be mentioning the rules and everything in this video and then in my following video. Actually, I haven't decided if I'm going to announce the winner in my following video or if I'm going to announce the winner on my Instagram. Hey guys, editing Shanelle here, and some of the things have changed for this giveaway. So I just wanted to update you guys. I know I talked about Too Faced palettes that I wanted to give away, but I actually have changed that for a few reasons. ColourPop has some holiday palettes that have come out since I filmed this video, and personally I love ColourPop palettes. I think they're really good quality, and I would want a ColourPop over a Too Faced palette. One, I've never had a Too Faced palette before, and I don't know how they perform or their quality, so I just feel like I would want to give something that I know I love. Don't get me wrong, I love Too Faced, like I love their foundation and everything like that. I've just never tried a palette from them, so I just want to give something that I know I would love to one of you guys. What the heck is going on with my hair? And it's just a personal preference. I like ColourPop palettes more. And another thing, I say in the video that I'm going to announce the winner in my following video, but I just want to allow more time for you guys to watch my video all the way through. Make sure you do all the steps required to enter this giveaway. So I'm not going to be announcing the winner in the next video. I'm going to be announcing it in 2 videos, if that makes sense. December 6th is when I'm going to be announcing the winner, I think that's the date. So my next video will be me and Jared decorating the house for Christmas, and then the following video will be when I announce the winner. And again, I'm pretty sure I'm going to do it in a YouTube video, but I'm just not 100% sure yet. I don't know how giveaways work. This is my first go around, so I just want to make that clear that it still might be a possibility that might be on my Instagram. So definitely make sure you're, following all the rules to win. And also, I just want to clarify that I am doing US only. So if you live outside the US and you're watching this, I'm very sorry. Hopefully in the future I will be doing a giveaway that's open to anywhere. But as for right now, since this is my first giveaway, I'm just going to be doing US only. So back to the video. Again, it's ColourPop, not Too Faced. I know I mentioned it later on again, but it's ColourPop. They have holiday sets too, so these are holiday, and I think they have 2 different ones, so I will be letting you choose between the 2 which one you want, and then I will be shipping it to you. So yeah, continue with past Shanelle now. So some of the rules to be entered into this giveaway are: you absolutely must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Obviously, I'm doing this giveaway for my supporters, just to show my appreciation for that. You also must be following me on Instagram, just again because I don't know which platform I'm going to announce the winner on. Also, for me to be able to get in contact with whoever the winner is, I want you guys to comment down below on this video what you're excited about for the holidays, for Christmas or Thanksgiving. Like, what are you most looking forward to? And also need a way for me to get in contact with you, whether that be like your Instagram handle or an email or your YouTube channel name, whatever. I just need some way that if you win, I need to be able to reach out to you and find who you are and get your address so I can ship the giveaway to you. So yeah, those are the 3 rules. But like I said, there's a whole collection of the Christmas sets, and I'm going to be like choosing between 3. Whoever wins, I'm going to give that winner the choice of whichever they want me to send to them. So I feel like it is fair to the winner that they get to choose their gift kind of as well. All you have to subscribe to a YouTube channel is a Gmail account. So if you don't have a Gmail account, it's super easy to make one. Make sure you like this video, tell your friends, your family, your grandma, your teachers, your coaches. Go subscribe to Shanelle, Renee, and they will have a chance to win a free giveaway. If I choose a winner and I see that they're not either subscribed to my channel or they didn't comment a way that I can get in contact with them, then I'm just gonna have to pick a new winner, and that would be very sad. So yeah, make sure you're doing all the things to be able to win this giveaway. This is just a way for me to give back to you guys for supporting me. So I just want to say thank you. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up so I know that you're excited for the giveaway. If you aren't already, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss a future upload from me. And I guess until next time, I will see you in my next video. Bye! Go make the world smile.